Don't miss this video because here you are going to save lots of money on Amazon. Just watch this video till end because here I'm going to share 4 fresh working coupon code where you will get amazing discount. So here I'm going to share how you can use that coupon code and how you are able to find more coupon codes. Okay, so how you are able to find more coupon codes, what you need to do is simply comment down below, so I'll create a new video for you if you are interested on more coupon code for Amazon. So here is a 4 fresh coupon code which you can use right now, and make sure you can use each coupon code for a limited time, not for each and every time, because each coupon code come with a limited time of uses. If most of the people are using, then it will be expire. So here is a 4 fresh coupon code which is working right now, and you can use this on amazon.com website. So here is a 4 fresh you can use right now and get amazing discount. And if it is working for you, just hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. You can simply use that coupon code on the checkout page and you will get amazing discount. So here is a 4 fresh coupon code, and here we go.